What I wish I knew about Snail Mucin before using it on my acne-prone skin. Snail Mucin is packed with skin-loving ingredients like glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and glycolic acid. These components strengthen your skin barrier, keep it hydrated, and gently exfoliate. But can it cause cystic acne? Here's the scoop: Snail Mucin itself is non-comedogenic. Translation? It doesn't clog pores. So, in theory, it's not a direct acne culprit. But there's a twist. Snail Mucin products often contain other ingredients. For example, butylene glycol and preservatives, which can irritate sensitive skin. Want to avoid breakouts? Check full ingredient lists, do patch tests, and introduce new products gradually. Looking for a safe bet? Try our Snail Repair Cream. It's loaded with clean, minimal ingredients that let Snail Mucin work its magic without causing irritation. So, is Snail Mucin a skin savior or an acne antagonist? With the right approach, it's a hydrating powerhouse that can transform your skin. Your best skin is just one cream away. Let's dive deeper into why Snail Mucin is so beneficial. Snail Mucin is rich in allantoin, which promotes skin regeneration and healing. It also contains antimicrobial peptides that help fight off bacteria. This makes it a great option for those with acne-prone skin. However, always remember to patch test new products. This helps you avoid any potential irritation or allergic reactions. And don't forget to introduce new products gradually. This allows your skin to adjust and prevents overwhelming it. So, is Snail Mucin worth the hype? Absolutely. With the right approach, it can be a game changer for your skin. Remember, your best skin is just one cream away. So go ahead, give Snail Mucin a try and see the transformation for yourself.
Wow.
Your skin will thank you for it. And remember, always listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. Happy skincare journey. Your best skin is just one cream away.